There's still a whole bunch of dollar bills in here. Hey guys, what is up? It's Jamie, Farnsworthy Vending. I'm coming at you from Vegas right now, and I'm gonna be doing the narration on this whole video from Vegas. Now, this is the last collection I had. I literally did this the day before I got on the flight. Literally the largest collection I've ever had. I just couldn't believe it. All right, guys, let's roll right into this. Guys, you gotta check this out. I don't know if you can see it with this crappy camera or not, but it is snowing. All right, guys, it is collection day. Let's go and get some stuff done. Picking up some Coke. Oh yeah, look at all that stuff back there. Hey guys, so I've actually been keeping up with my locations without taking any money because me and Mike G and Reyes are going on a meeting and I need some money for the flight. So this is going to be the actual collection, which I'm pretty stoked for. I also have to pay commission, so I got an envelope and some writing here so I can just kind of toss it in the door for him. I just realized I don't have my bucket. Magic bucket. We got to pour everything into the bucket, so we're going to grab that. All right, let's get in this and see what we got. Gotta remember which key it is. I've got like way too many keys now. This machine's old, so we gotta like push on the door at the same time. All right, let's see what we got up in here. Man, I've never really seen a stack like that out of this machine. Come on, light. There we go, so we got that. This machine's always, wow, that's heavy. This machine's always quarters. So many quarters. Dang, that's a lot of quarters and a lot of dollars. Yeah. So I actually know the quantities on these are all fine. I still reported them. I don't know how to record on my phone yet, but I've started using the phone app for Vensoft. I'm gonna try to find a way to record on my phone. That way you guys can see that too. And always remember to close those. I forget to, way too often. We're gonna open up the other side, see if it needs any product. I just happen to have quite a bit with me, so if it needs some, I'll drop some in. All right, so because this machine doesn't sell quite as much, I've started keeping half stock of all the high selling stuff. We also put lemon water in here. Something I wanna start doing is we're gonna start checking underneath here and make sure all these are level, because if they're not, that means we have a jam. And I just wanna make sure that we have no jams. So, as you can see, root beer is actually like a really, really heavy seller. Looks like Canada Dry is, we sold one Canada Dry. But we're gonna go get some root beer and fill up the root beer. Alright, so we're going to check again. We're just going to make sure none of these are jammed. Looks like we're good to go. This thing has got a really bad habit of jamming, so I just want to make sure that we're able to make sales. So that was the laundromat. We're gonna move on now and we're gonna head right over to the Hyundai dealership and check that one out. Oh yeah, sun-kissed. I've already filled this machine, but should take a look. Oh, geez, we need some Mountain Dew up in this bitch. Diet Coke's selling pretty good too. Everything's selling good. Oh my God. I actually have a case of this. I should have brought it. I brought a couple cases. Yeah, this is like 3. days. This, though, I haven't checked in a while. There's nothing in there. Need Mountain Dew. Need a lot of Mountain Dew. Jeez. Alright guys, so that was a tiny collection just because that specific place was a tiny collection just because I literally just took money out of it like a week ago for some personal emergencies I needed to take care of. But every other location, yeah, pretty much every other location you're going to see is going to be amazing because I've been pushing them out the right way and we're going to start making the right kind of money, peeps. Guys, I have absolutely no idea how much money was in there, but that magazine was so full, I had trouble getting the money out of it. I'm probably gonna dub over it so I can tell you guys how much money was actually in it. But that was 4 weeks right there. 4 flipping weeks. Guys, I am pumped. That's a lot of money. I can't wait to get to the next location. Wow! Selling out of those quick. I can't remember what it was. They're gone every time I'm here. Alright, let's see what we got. It's stuck. There, dollar bill. So while I was here, I went ahead and made sure that my flight was good, because this is my location, and it's the airport that I'm leaving out of to head out to go see Mike G and Reyes. Of course, by the time you guys actually watch this video, I'm pretty sure I'll be on my way home from having a lot of fun. I keep on keeping it a secret. You guys aren't gonna see this till it's over. I'm gonna be on my way home from Vegas with Mike G and Reyes. It's gonna be a heck of a good time, y'all. I am so stoked about it. All right, let's hit the next location. We got 2 more. We got Tire Warehouse and a Claremont. Man, I just filled these up. All right, moment of truth. Ooh. Oh, it's like full. How do I get it all out? My God, that was a lot of money. Holy crap, their commission was like $75. Oh man. All right guys, let's move on. Oh my God, you guys have no idea how excited I am to get these. Uh-oh, the lights aren't working. To get to everything. Oh my God, I can't talk. I'm so excited to film this next clip. Here we go. Guys, this is a moment of truth right here. Like honestly, the excitement levels are so big as my head in the screen. I'm so excited. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. It's so big. Ready? Here it goes. Oh no. Oh, we're gonna have to pull wads of dollars out. Oh my God, it's not working at all. I was really hoping that everything would just fall out. Oh jeez. This is so disorganized. Look at it all.
Oh my goodness, oh my damn, oh my goodness, they're going ham. Oh my goodness, oh my damn.
Oh, we had such a mess to clean up. There's still a whole bunch of dollar bills in here. Oh my God. Oh, dollar bills. Oh, more dollar bills. Oh, more dollar bills. Holy crap. That is a much better thumbnail. Alright guys, I'm like so excited about this. So, $718 in bills alone. Just bills. And, like half of this container full of change. I don't know how much is in it. We're going to take it to the bank and find out. For anyone who's wondering, this is a 4-week collection. This is 4 weeks of collection. So if I see in the comments, how long did this take? I know that you didn't watch till the end of the video. Guys, I can't even believe this. This is my first $1,000 vending machine collection video. I'm super pumped that we finally cracked that $300 barrier that we've had for like the longest time. $1,048.25 is what today's collection grossed. I don't know the net yet. I haven't done the calculations. I'm sure Vensoft will tell me later. But guys, I'm so stoked about this. It's awesome. Alright, I'm sure you guys have already been watching all the live streams with Vegas and me and Mike and Reyes. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Remember to love life and live your dreams. Be Farnsworthy. Peace.